In the heart of Pakistan's Punjab province, a remarkable place awaits our attention. This is Kamra Kalan. It is nestled within the historic Attock district, a region rich with stories of the past. The town itself may seem unassuming at first glance, yet its location tells a tale of great importance. It sits at a crossroads, a silent witness to the flow of people and history through the ages. Kamra Kalan holds a unique strategic importance. It is home to a major Pakistan Air Force base, Minas Air Base. This base is vital for the nation's defense. The presence of such an important facility shapes the character of the town. The skies above often echo with the sound of aircraft, a reminder of its modern role. The town is situated in a landscape that blends natural beauty with human influence. The famous Grand Trunk Road, an ancient artery of commerce and travel, passes nearby. This proximity has always connected Kamra to the wider world. It has facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and cultures for countless generations. Here, the past is not simply buried. It is an integral part of the present, influencing the lives of the people who call this place home.
One of the most striking features of Kamra Kalan is a forested hill. This hill stands as a testament to nature's resilience and human dedication. It was not always the lush green sanctuary we see today. This change is largely thanks to the efforts of the Pakistan Air Force. They understood the value of this natural feature. The Pakistan Air Force took on the inspiring task of reforesting this hill. Their vision was to create a green lung for the area. They planted countless trees, nurturing them with care. This effort has turned the hillside into a vibrant ecosystem. The trees now stand tall, their leaves rustling in the breeze. It is a wonderful example of how human intervention can be positive. The Air Force personnel not only protect the skies, but also the earth beneath. This forested hill is now a haven of biodiversity. It provides shelter and food for various creatures. The dense foliage offers cool shade, a welcome respite from the sun. Walking through these woods, one can feel a sense of peace. The sounds of the town fade away, replaced by the gentle calls of birds. This green sanctuary is a precious asset for Kamra Kalan and its inhabitants.
The revitalized forested hill and the surrounding areas of Kamra Kalan are teeming with life. Nature has responded generously to the efforts of conservation. A diverse array of wildlife now calls this place home. If you listen carefully, the air is filled with the songs of many different birds. These feathered residents add color and melody to the landscape. From small, chirping sparrows to more majestic birds of prey, the avian life is rich and varied. Among the trees and shrubs, various mammals find refuge. Smaller creatures like wild hares might be seen darting through the undergrowth. The elusive fox, a cunning and adaptable animal, also roams these lands. Jackals, known for their distinctive calls at dusk, are part of this ecosystem. These animals play an important role in maintaining the balance of nature here. Their presence indicates a healthy environment, one where wildlife can thrive alongside human activity. The careful management of the area by the Pakistan Air Force has helped protect these creatures. By creating a safe habitat, they have encouraged wildlife to return and flourish.
Water is the essence of life, and in Kamra Kalan its presence is cherished. The area is blessed with natural water pools. These pools are often fed by seasonal rains or underground springs. They are vital oases, especially during the drier months. These shimmering bodies of water attract a multitude of creatures. Birds come to drink and bathe, their reflections dancing on the surface. Insects buzz around the edges, and amphibians find a perfect breeding ground. These water pools are not just important for wildlife, they also contribute to the overall health of the local ecosystem. They help to recharge groundwater levels. The vegetation around these pools is often lusher and greener. This creates microhabitats, supporting a unique community of plants and animals. The local community and the Pakistan Air Force understand the value of these water sources. Efforts are made to keep them clean and protect them from pollution. The careful stewardship of these water bodies is crucial for the future of Kamra Kalan's natural heritage. Section 5. The skies above. Climate and air quality. Kamra Kalan experiences a climate typical of the Punjab plains. The summers are known for their intense heat. Temperatures can soar, making the shade of the forested hill even more precious. The sun beats down relentlessly during these months. Then comes the monsoon season, bringing much-needed rain. The parched earth drinks deeply, and the landscape is rejuvenated with a fresh burst of green. Winters, in contrast, can be quite cool, especially during the nights and early mornings. A gentle mist often blankets the land at dawn. This cooler period provides a respite from the summer's intensity. The changing seasons bring a different character to Kamra Kalan. Each season has its own beauty, its own rhythm. However, like many areas in the region, Kamra Kalan faces challenges with air quality. Air pollution can be a concern, particularly during certain times of the year. Factors such as industrial emissions from wider areas, vehicular traffic, and agricultural practices can contribute to this. Efforts to monitor and improve air quality are becoming increasingly important. The challenge for Kamra Kalan is to balance development with environmental protection, ensuring clear skies for generations to come.
Section 6. Echoes from Antiquity. Kamra's Historical Tapestry. The land around Kamra Kalan is steeped in ancient history. This region was once part of the Great Kushan Empire. This powerful empire flourished from the 1st to the 3rd centuries AD. The Kushans controlled vast territories, linking Central Asia with the Indian subcontinent. They were patrons of art and religion, particularly Buddhism. Traces of their presence can still be found in the wider archaeological landscape. A very significant historical feature near Kamra is the Grand Trunk Road. This ancient highway is one of Asia's oldest and longest major roads. For centuries, it has been a vital artery for trade, travel, and military movements. The Grand Trunk Road passed close to Kamra, connecting it to distant lands and diverse cultures. The echoes of these past eras are palpable. While Kamra Kalan itself is a modern town with strategic importance, its roots run deep. The very soil seems to hold memories of ancient settlements and forgotten kingdoms. Exploring the history of Kamra Kalan is like peeling back layers of time.
Section 7. Portals to the Past. Exploring Nearby Wonders. For those visiting Kamra Kalan, a wealth of historical and natural wonders lies within easy reach. Just a short journey away is Taxila. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site of immense archaeological significance. Taxila was an ancient center of learning and Buddhist culture. Its ruins tell stories of great universities, monasteries, and bustling cities. Another formidable landmark nearby is Attic Fort. This impressive fort stands guard at the confluence of the Indus and Kabul rivers. It was built by the Mughal Emperor Akbar in the late 16th century. The fort has witnessed many battles and played a crucial role in the history of the region. The mighty Indus River itself is a major attraction. This great river has nurtured civilizations for millennia. Its waters flow powerfully through the landscape, shaping the land and sustaining life. These nearby attractions complement the unique appeal of Kamra Kalan.
Section 8. The Chach region. A cultural mosaic. Kamra Kalan is located within the Chach region of Attock district. This area has a distinct cultural identity. The Chach plain is an alluvial expanse, historically fertile and strategically important. The people of this region, often known as Chachis, have their own unique traditions and dialects. Their culture is a rich blend of influences, shaped by centuries of history and interaction with various groups who passed through this land. The local culture is reflected in the everyday lives of the people. Traditional crafts, music, and cuisine hold a special place. Hospitality is a hallmark of the region. Visitors are often welcomed with warmth and generosity. Local festivals and celebrations are vibrant occasions, showcasing the community's rich cultural heritage. Agriculture has long been the backbone of the Chach region's economy. The fertile plains yield crops like wheat, maize, and vegetables. The rhythm of life for many is still tied to the agricultural seasons. Exploring the cultural aspects of the Chach region adds another layer to understanding Kamra Kalan.
Section 9. Embracing Kamra, its challenges and enduring allure. Despite its many attractions, Kamra Kalan, like any place, faces certain challenges. Environmental concerns such as air pollution require ongoing attention and solutions. Sustainable water management is also crucial, especially with changing climate patterns. Ensuring that the natural water pools and the forested hill remain healthy needs constant vigilance. Accessibility to some of the more remote natural areas around Kamra Kalan might also present a challenge for visitors. However, these minor hurdles should not deter the curious traveler. The rewards of discovering Kamra's hidden gems are well worth the effort. Kamra Kalan offers a rare blend of strategic modernity, rich history, and surprising natural beauty. It is a place that invites contemplation and discovery, away from the usual tourist trails, offering a unique perspective on Pakistan. Kamra Kalan is a testament to resilience, a hidden gem that quietly shines, inviting those with a spirit of adventure to explore its depths.